Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2012 Mazda 6, stock number 7074. It's ran from 11th 2012 to the 2nd 2018. It's an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left down headlight needs polish. Left front 17-inch factory Mazda tyre. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory Mazda tyre. Left hand tail light. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory Mazda tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory Mazda tyre. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,